Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows Store is not installing apps properly. So this can be a common occurrence on Windows 10, and in this tutorial I hope to show you guys how to resolve this issue. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time. And you want to type in Windows PowerShell. Best match should come back a Windows PowerShell right above Desktop App. You want to right click on this and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Okay, so now in this elevated command line window, you want to copy the command I'm going to have in the description of the video, and you want to go up to the top bar of this Windows PowerShell window, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. Once you've pasted that in, it will take some time to run. So if you get any red text along the way, don't be concerned, because it should say it's just in use or something along those lines. But we're going to let it run here for a couple minutes. Please be patient, and I will jump back in once we get a little further along in the process. Okay guys, so once you get back to a screen that just says System32 of a blinking cursor, you can close out of here. I would suggest you restart your computer. Hopefully it resolved the problem. If it didn't, I will have a link to a Microsoft help page that does have a utility you guys can try and run. But other than that, I do hope this problem has been resolved, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.